Hey, Dr. Lindsey and Wendy here. This is a 2-year update on a 30-ish-year-old public servant here in the DC area who came in looking like this. And he has kind of wild haircuts back then.
Yeah.
And I said, pull your hair back. And this is what he was covering up. You know, he's missing that front 1.5 inches or so.
Yeah.
So we did a case on him, and he looked like this, and he did a good job cleaning. And at 7 months, he was starting to grow. And then just out of the blue, he called last week and wanted to come in. So he looks like this, and he still has a bit of a, who is it, the guy in Back to the Future?
The doctor, he likes to have this haircut.
He likes that haircut.
Yes.
And I had him pull it back, and he's got other than the color contrast, he's got real black hair and very white skin. He looks good.
He does look good.
And here's a close-up of his scar. I had a hard time finding it underneath all that hair. And so, in summary, we're always glad to see these guys back, so we can see how they turned out and put up more videos. But like a lot of you guys, he had a little hair greed, and he thought maybe he wanted just a few hundred more grafts. And so we'll see whether he shows back up in the future. Anything you want to add?
No, I mean, initially he said he was doing that hair transplant, so he can wear his hair shorter. But he likes his hair long. I mean, he looks.
He does. That's it. That fits his style.
Yeah. So he looks good. I like it.
Yeah, and he's happy, and he says his social life is better. He's got more confidence, and he told me as he was leaving, Wendy, you weren't here as usual, one of your little adventures, and he said that a part of his job is he takes simulated images on computers and tries to irregularize them so they look like they occurred in real life. And he thanked me for his hairline because it does not look too perfect. That's what he said. So, if we can help you, please give us a call. Thanks.